Guys, for today's video guys, I will just show you my progress on our Shopee shop. So as you all know, I started my Shopee shop I think 2 months ago, and then I start from scratch guys. I don't have any connections in Shopee, and this is our first time actually to sell things in Shopee. But I am selling a lot of stuffs before personally. So this is one of my passion actually. One of my passion is selling, and I think this is the thing that I am really good at, and I want to show you guys my secret and the techniques that I used on how to become a short time seller. So I am still a short time seller. So I will show you guys our progress, and let's go, let's dig it up. So as you can see in my business insight, or in my summary, okay, so we just processed 5 shipment just today. Okay, so we process 5 today, and then there's a visitor 123 visitor today, and we have 240 product leaks, and we have sales of 34 RM for today. So and okay, let's go to my main seller account. Okay, so overall, I already have 317 product listings. So, as you know guys, I'm selling Pokemon cards, and we select Korean because Korean is very cheap right now. And I don't want to go into the scalpers in Japanese and English versions, because there's so many competition around that area. For Korean versions, is still cheap and there's no much competition, so I'm just selling this one. For example, this pack is I'm selling for 11 ringgit, and sometimes we are putting discounts on it. So it's really good to sell cheap stuff, but original cheap stuff. So that's one of the things that you need to consider. So you need to consider your niche. What is your niche, and then you will check also your competitor. So you need to check the areas wherein, because a lot of people already selling nowadays, and it's very hard to compete with them, especially with those people who already established their shop in Shopee. So as you can see in my account, it's only, let's go to the shop information. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I cannot show you my shop information right now, but yeah, we already sold a lot of items already. So maybe we can see that in our, yeah, income. Ay, shit. Also cannot. Business insight. Okay, so we can put that in the business insight. Overall, yeah. So this is my business insight for one month. Okay, let's check for 1 month. Okay, so real time past 30 days. So for the past 30 days, guys, we already achieved 610 ringgit sales. Then the profit, guys, that I'm considering is only 20 to 50% profit, because uh, since the competition is really tight, especially in Pokemon products, guys, so you need to lower your profit margin so that you will have high sales. So I'm considering high number of sales, and we are very lucky because we got 35 orders. This one is individual orders, guys. So 35 person already ordered to our shop within past 2 months. So it's not a small number, and it's not a big number as well. But you can see the progress here, guys, since the day one we start. So we have first sale here, and then here we can see some increase on the sales. And yeah, it's getting interesting, and we are continuously growing actually. And as you can see in our product impression, we already got 75,000 product impressions. So this one is, how I say, it's like in the YouTube, guys, wherein the people show your post, show your product. So 75,000 impression means 75 times they saw your products. Okay, and the people that click on your product is 3,300. So and then they ordered 35 pieces here, and the unit total number of units is 104. 104 items. So some of the buyers buying 5 or 10 or 20, depends on their orders. So it's very nice. You can see a large a large impact. So the reason being how I got this high impression, guys, and high product leaks. Okay, so this is the one of the main secret, guys, in selling. You need to join in any platform. Okay, so there's always sales or any campaigns. So you need to join on that campaigns. So let me show you what I'm telling, guys. So if you go to home of Shopee, so if you're using Shopee, there's a campaign here, guys, in the lower portion, and all of this is a campaign of Shopee to push your product. So one of the things that I join here is the cheapest on Shopee. So I joined this cheapest on Shopee, I think for my product. Okay, so for my product, join in this. Okay, join in this cheapest in Shopee, and four of my products is actually winning. So I got 8,000 impression for only just four of that product, and we got 88 ringgit sales. So this one is started for less than 1 week. So you need to set for you need to select your lowest your cheapest product. So you need to put here, and that should be cheapest among all of other competitors. So that's why my profit margin is low, so that I can maintain that cheapest in Shopee. So if I am always there, okay, so my shop will always be there in the, in the uh, in the home page. So if the people go to the Shopee and then they click the home page, they can easily show my shop, and then they will click, and that's the time you can uh, you can have a big sales. So actually, guys, on this moment, on this in this video, guys, we got our sale again. So we got another sales. So we need to process this one. So this one is just recent, guys. Okay, and we need to ship this by tomorrow. So okay, so one of the guy ordered 1 pack, and the payment is waived because he has okay, Shopee vouchers. So this guy has Shopee vouchers. You can see here he paid only 0 ringgit, but our total income is 4.23. So our total income here is 4.23. So this one I'm selling for 4.4 ringgit, and the processing fee, as you can see here, the fees and charges 0.70 ringgit only, very cheap. So it's very nice, guys, to sell in Shopee actually. So we will arrange a shipment and we will ship this tomorrow, but I will click this, guys, probably tomorrow, because if you click this today, then it will start the counting of arranging the shipment, and that should be done within 24 hours. And if you did not finish that within 24 hours, then you will have a penalty. So this Shopee is very strict on that. And yeah, so that's all, guys, for today, and hopefully you enjoyed our video. Hopefully you learned something, and yeah, that's all only. God bless, and see you on the next one. Thank you.